Welcome to Washington Elementary, home of the Wildcats. Hi, my name is Jonathan and I'm a 5th grade student here at Washington. I'm so excited to show you some of the new improvements at our school. We have 2 new buildings with 8 classrooms with all new furniture. It is really nice to learn here because everything feels brand new. We have new restrooms for students and all teachers got new restrooms too. We have more accessible parking for anyone who needs it and really cool new paint on our blacktop. On behalf of my fellow Wildcats, we want to say thank you to the voters of Senior Major.